Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to run with you run you through um, a website I created using HTML, JavaScript and CSS. Um, so we'll begin with the HTML code. My name is Derek, by the way. Forgot to mention that. Okay, so for our e-commerce website, we are calling it Tech Store tech store e-commerce, and this div is for the login page. So let me just show you how the login page is supposed to look like. So this is supposed to look like. um, yeah, so that you have div nested in a div nested in a div. So the login container containing the text, welcome to text hole, and the rest of that. And now this button is calling a function that will be found or we will discuss when we are looking through the JavaScript code. And yes, we have the login form. We are going to request for what should I say? How should I say this? The password, yes, the password and the email address, yes. I don't know why. So, yeah, the email address, the password. That's if the person already has an account. If the person doesn't, so request for the full name, email address, and their password for them to create an account. Now, this part code is supposed to be um, how should I call this? The top part, yes. So once we log in, we'll see all of that. Yeah. So let me quickly log in and show you how it's supposed to be. So our address, I use this address and our password. Yes. So this is our website that we created. We'll run through the JavaScript code very quickly. Wrap up the video. So this um yeah. And we have the cart menu. So the cart menu is whenever you click on add to cart, we update the counter of the cart. Because an e-commerce website, we don't know how e-commerce website works. So they go to your cart, and this is how it's supposed to look like. You can remove from your cart. You can check out. Yeah. So we'll run through the JavaScript very quickly, and you can also log out in case you ever want to do that. Yeah. So let's run through the JavaScript very quickly because yeah. So the JavaScript, this part is supposed to emulate how in the real world we are going to take the how should I call this, the API, right? Right. Yeah. It's supposed to imitate an API with each item having its name, its price, and an image. In the real world, to be an image, but for this demonstration, I'm going to use images. So we have a headphone, watch, laptop, tablets, phones, and all that. This is supposed to initialize, imitate how a session will look like in the real world. In case you're using a real backend, but we're just simulating how a backend should look like. Yes. So we have check session, which is going to put the current user inside the local host so that the person you can get the person's name. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Then we have the switch tab function. This was uh, back here, back here. It helps us switch from side in to side up. Yeah. So that's it. And um, we have this is the show alert function that would show the text. Let me show you the demonstration in case you want to check out this. Yeah, that's the alert. So that's the function that's going to handle all of that. And we have the function that's supposed to imitate how it will look like if we're using a real backend. Um, yeah, so we have simulating in production, we'll call an API and submit all of that. But since we don't have a real backend, and I don't really know how to do that, implement that in my JavaScript yet, um, let's go to simulate how to look like. Yes. So we get uh, the values of whatever the user inputs. So if a user inputs the full name, we get that value. You put it inside the name. Same for the email, same for the password. Then if it was a backend, real backend, we will have sent this information to the backend and it will check if these credentials match the system. If they do, then you love the person. If they don't, then you send the person back. Yes. So yeah, and this is supposed to display uh, all the elements we see. So they have the emoji that's supposed to be the placeholder for the image. We have the username, we have the price, we have the ID and all that. So yeah, this is supposed to update the cart. So we increment by one each time we click on add to cart. We have display cart and all of that. Remove from cart, toggle, and the checkout. There's the checkout function. If the the length of the cart is zero or is zero, yes, then all this wallet your cart is empty. If not, wallet order placed successfully, total amount. Then we calculate the total amount. Then we update the cart. And then we toggle cart. Right. So that will be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.